Okay, very quickly before my sunlight fades away here, I want you to kind of put some things together and create not just ellipses, but cylinders. So a cylinder, you know, cylindrical form is there's an elliptical top, there's two sides, just straight sides that go down, and there's an elliptical bottom. And then and you want the top and bottom ellipse to be similar in size. And once you start doing this, you can do different proportions. I can make a fatter one, fatter ellipse, and a shorter cylindrical side. Notice that when you draw the top and the bottom, you always draw both full ellipses. You don't just try and draw the front of that bottom, you draw the whole thing. Once you've got a very light, kind of loose thing, you can go back and firm that up. You know, you can add a heavier line for these. You can be a little more precise, knowing you did the loose bit. You can know, oh yeah, okay, that comes down like that. Here's the top or the back of my top ellipse. So you've got that range of line weights. You've got the lighter lines that indicated, you know, your first initial marks, and then you've got these heavier marks that are more careful. And you're able to do that because you did those light marks at first. That helped you kind of figure out where things were. This presumably is a can of tuna. This is a can of Coke. I don't know. I mean, that's what those proportions seem to be, you know, something like. If I did, you know, a real small ellipse and maybe gave it a center and did a, you know, bigger ellipse at the bottom maybe, and maybe halfway up, it'd be easy to connect this bottom part. And then bring that top one might have been a bit too big, even though it's small. You know, bring this down. So this is a wine bottle. Here's the body, here's the neck, and here's the shoulder. I can just, now, admittedly, I'm making this up. It's not the best wine bottle ever. Maybe it's, you know, like soy sauce. Anyway, what I want you to do lastly is to make a page of cylindrical forms like this. And when I say a page for, you know, there should be a dozen, let's say. 10 or 12 anyway. I'm working with pencil. It's a simple pencil, regular old number 2. The only thing that's nice about it is it's nice and sharp. I sharpened it. Notice that I didn't erase anything. You don't need to erase anything yet. If you mess something up, so what? It's your first drawing in drawing 1. Just keep going.